India's Meteorological Department has announced that a deep depression brewing over the Bay of Bengal is likely to intensify in the next 24 hours and further develop into a severe cyclonic storm by the 28th of October. Extremely heavy rainfall is likely in southern states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Thunderstorms with lightning and gusty winds are also expected in the region during the next 4 to 5 days. In view of the developing cyclonic systems over Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, which are expected to intensify over the next 48 hours into Cyclone Montha, the Indian Army has been placed on high alert and is closely monitoring the situation along with the